Insulin is secreted by beta cell of islets. Largest endocrine gland. Largest endocrine gland thyroid. Liver. Urea cycles liver. GFR normal 125 milliliter. ADH action. DCT and insulin secreted by beta cells of islets of Langerhans. Largest endocrine gland thyroid. Nephron part for filtration. Glomerulus. Nephron part for filtration. Glomerulus. It is action. Decision collecting duct. Nephron parts of filtration. Glomerulus. Decision collecting duct. DCT. GFR normal 125 milliliter. Urea cycle occurs. Liver. Largest endocrine gland thyroid. Cyclosporin used. Immunosuppressant. Cyclosporin. Normal ECG. Normal ECG P wave indicate. Arterial depolarization. Arterial depolarization. Normal ECG. QRS complex indicate. Ventricular depolarization. QR complex indicate. Ventricular SA node pacemaker. Blood pressure. Stroke volume average 70 milliliter. Stroke volume average. Cardiac output 5 milliliter per minute. Nephron part of filtration. Glomerulus. ADH action. DCT and collecting duct. DCT and collecting duct. ADH. GFR normal. Immunosuppressant. KRS complex indicate. Ventricular depolarization. Pacemaker. Organ transplant rejection due to the cell medicated. Organ transplant. Cell mediated immunity. Organ transplant rejection. Cell mediated immunity. Autoimmune disease होची rheumatoid arthritis. Autoimmune disease. Allergy antibody IgE. Interference antiviral proteins. T cell mature thymus. B cell mature bone marrow. Interference or antiviral proteins. Allergy antibody IgE. And autoimmune disease rheumatoid arthritis. Autoimmune disease rheumatoid arthritis. Cell mediated immunity. Autoimmune organ transfer rejection. Cell mediated immunity. Active immunity by infection or vaccine. Passive immunity antibody transfer. T cells. Thymus. B cell bone marrow. Interference or antiviral proteins. Active immunity by infection or vaccine. Active immunity, infection, vaccine. Passive immunity, antibody transfer. Ringworm fungi, pneumonia by Streptococcus pneumoniae. Adulterous typhoid, typhoid by Salmonella typhi. Malaria by Plasmodium. Malaria vector, female Anopheles. Female Anopheles. Typhoid Salmonella typhi, adulterous typhoid. Cocaine from Erythroxylum coca. Cocaine. Heroin obtained from Papaver seminiferum. Heroin obtained from Papaver seminiferum. Cocaine for Erythroxylum coca. Benign tumor is non-metastatic. Oncogene are cancer-causing genes. Cancer cells are neoplastics. Neoplastics. Oncogenes are cancer-causing genes. AIDS virus HIV. STD full form sexual. Cancer cells neoplastics. Oncogenes are cancer-causing genes. Benign tumor is non-metastatic. Heroin obtained from Papaver somniferum. Benign tumor non-metastatic. Cocaine from erythro. କେତେ ବଛେ ଅଛି
ତରକାରୀ ମୁଗ ଡାଲି ଆଉ କଣ
ଆଉ ସେ ଯେ କୋକେଇନ୍
ପୋଟଳ ଅଛି ଯେ ପୋଟଳ ତ ପୋଡ଼ା ହବନି
ଆଉ ପାୱାର somniferum cocaine erythroxylum plasmodium cancer cells neoplastics AIDS STD MTP Act 1971 amniocentesis banned sex determination amniocentesis Saheli is non-steroidal once a week. Saheli contraceptive by CDRI Lucknow. Spirulina cyanobacteria. Dwarf wheat variety Lerma Rojo. Dwarf rice variety IR80. SC full from single cell protein. Spirulina is cyanobacteria. Dwarf wheat. Dwarf rice. Green revolution. Actually, green revolution. ELISA test HIV pregnancy. ELISA test. Totipotency shown by the plant cells. Micropropagation is a tissue culture. Micropropagation is a tissue culture. Green revolution father India. MS Swaminathan. Dwarf wheat variety Larma Razzo. Dwarf rice variety Aerate. SC full form single cell protein. Spironation bacteria. Dwarf wheat variety Larma Razzo. Again revolution father India. MS Samnat. Micropropagation is a tissue culture. Pluripotency plant cell. Pluripotency plant cell. ELISA test HIV pregnancy. RNA full form RNA interference. Golden rice rich in vitamin A. Beta-cotton gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. Beta-cotton gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis. Dark polymerase from Thermus aquaticus. PCR invented by Carey Mullis. Alec Jeffries.